What's up everybody, it's Sean here today to give you guys a review of the Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium in this vast gray colorway. Today's video is brought to you by who else? The good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find inside Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, you're going to find this a suitable pair for anyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I personally find them to be extremely comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this right here is my latest Nike Dunk pickup, which is a Nike sportswear release, which dropped back in August. So this is nicknamed the Vast Gray colorway, but the official colorway for this shoe is Vast Gray, Summit White, and Pearl White, and these retailed for $110 US or 145 Canadian dollars. So as summer comes to a close and we enter the colder months of September and October, suede shoes just like this one become much more wearable and more popular. So taking a deep dive into the details, the entire upper of the shoe is constructed out of this very nice suede. So on the toe box, you can see the suede here has a bit more of a warmer tone to it. We have the standard perforated look just like all your other Dunks. And then surrounding the front toe cap, the suede here is much more of a true gray. This same suede covers the eyelets of the shoe, and then beneath this on the quarter panel, we have more of that warmer suede that we saw earlier on the toe box. And then overlaid on top of this, we have a suede swoosh, which is done in more of a lighter tone. Moving downwards, we have more of that true gray suede that wraps around the back of the shoe. And then above this, we have more of that warmer tone of suede. And embroidered across the top, we have this Nike branding. As for the laces, so these only come with one lace option, and they're just your standard flat style lace, and they're done in this cream sort of tone. Underneath this, we have a nylon tongue, which is also done in this slightly yellowed vintage look. And the very top of the tongue is covered in this nylon tag with Nike branding. The interior of the shoe is lined in this silky smooth, pale gray color textile. And then taking a look at the insoles, these come with their standard foam lined insole. It's lined in a gray color textile on top, and we have Nike branding stamped on the heel in white. So the upper of the shoe sits atop this solid rubber cupsole, which is painted in white. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, this is your standard Dunk outsole. We have that same circular pivot point on the forefoot, along with Nike branding found right in the middle. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Vast Gray Dunks. And for those wondering about sizing, to me these fit like most of my other Nike sportswear Dunks, so I personally went true to size and I got these in a size 10. So whatever size you normally wear for Nike sportswear Dunks, whether that's true to size or maybe if you have wider feet you prefer going up a half size, but stick with that same size that you normally wear for this shoe. Moving on to the comfort, so these feel pretty much like any of your other Dunks, so it's going to be very stable, very low to the ground, but there's not too much from a step-in comfort and softness perspective. However, the upper of the shoe, because they utilize this very soft suede, it feels like it's very broken in straight out of the box, so it's not like the plastic type leather that they use on some of the other Nike sportswear Dunks that feel very stiff and you really need to break them in. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, material quality, I thought it was very solid, especially for a Nike sportswear Dunk where I'm typically used to very cheap materials. The suedes used on this shoe felt pretty good to the touch. You can tell that it's a nice genuine cut of suede, and it doesn't have that scratchy, rough feel that sometimes Nike utilizes more of a cheap suede. This in comparison feels much more buttery. And from an overall build and craftsmanship standpoint, it wasn't an absolutely perfect pair, but I really had no major issues that I could see. So all in all, especially for picking this up for retail price, this was a very solid Dunk colorway. So with all that out of the way now, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Like I mentioned in the beginning, this is a very suitable colorway to wear in the fall season. I like the fact that it utilizes suede instead of leather, And I like how at first glance, it just looks like a very monotone sort of colorway, but when you take a closer look, you'll see there's actually variations between the suede that they used, which gives it a little bit of contrast, but not too much, that still retains its wearability and versatility. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Vast Gray Nike Dunk Low. What are your overall thoughts on this colorway? And is this a pair that you guys picked up? Did you take an L, or did you just pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on my Instagram page at esco8, follow me on Twitter as well at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for the continued love and support, and I'll catch you guys all in my next review.